So every week I like to check in with my clients and ask them how they did for the week. And the questions that I ask might seem to be a little bit redundant over time, but I promise you the answers to these questions are foundational to the success of weight loss, the success of fat loss, and the success of the continued successful maintenance of your fat loss and weight loss. I ask myself these same questions on a weekly basis to help myself stay on a successful path to my maintenance. So I know that these questions will help you have success in your fitness journey, and I look forward to receiving the answers to these questions that I will be sending out to you.